Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, dear students, to our science class. Remind you of our classroom rules. Sign in on time, find some quiet place to study, listen, look at the screen, raise your hand, and answer when teachers calls your name. Do not draw on the screen and do not talk to your friends. Today is Monday, 5th of October, 2020. We are studying science. We are having the Unit 1 revision. Please, guys, focus on the revision. These are very important questions that can help you in the exam if you are going to take one. Okay, guys? First of all, open to page 49. You will find the number page on my screen, 49. Okay, 49. Did you all open page 49? Can you open page 49? Yes, Lara? Mazen?
That we have an exam.
I'm not sure if you can check the weekly plan. You can check the weekly plan if you have an exam or not, okay? Now, guys, now you have a box over here with words, okay? Bar graph, evidence, experiment, hypothesis, variable, okay? Number one, you can share the result of an investigation with other by using what I want from you is to write the number over here next to the words. So if number one is bar graph, I want you to write number one. Okay, later you can copy the answers to the blank. Okay, guys, now let's start with Dana. Number one.
Okay, so you can share the results of an investigation with others. You can using n. Okay. So is it? You can share the results with them. Is it evidence?
Okay, no, it's not. When you want to share the result of an investigation with others, evidence is not you sharing the result. Sharing the result using what? Variable, hypothesis, experiment, evidence, or bar graph. What's a bar graph, Yadana?
Oh, it's a bar graph. The bar graph where you write
It shows what?
the rules.
Okay, it's not the rules. Bar graph.
About like it's first thing is we're gonna do observe and this and then this.
Okay, a bar graph, Dana, will show you informations. You want to share your information with others, so you
That's
are
what I
going.
meant.
Yes, so it's informations. So number one is a paragraph. Thank you, Dana. Lara Justania, please. Number two. Number two is an observation often leads to a testable question known as what? When you ask a question that you can make a test about it, okay? Or you make observation. What do I call it? Is it evidence, experiment, hypothesis? Your observation, you are going to make a test about it. What is it? Why I can't hear you? Hi, Lara. Yes.
Experiment.
No, thank you. No.
Hypothesis.
Yes, it's a hypothesis. Excellent. It's a hypothesis. It is mute your microphone, please. Number 2 is a hypothesis. Now, Gamar, number 3, a planned study meant to answer a question is. No,
What?
Fatima, you are not mute, and please do not draw on my screen. Gamar,
What, Miss?
a planned study meant to answer a question is called what? Evidence, experiment, or a variable?
Experiment.
Good job. Excellent. Now, Fatima, please unmute your microphone.
Okay.
Number 4, it's very important to test only one or thing that changes at a time. Only one evidence or variable?
Variable.
Excellent. Variable, number 4. So, Wasaif, number 5 is what? Hypothesis should be supported by the Wasaif. By what?
Paragraph. Evidence.
What?
A hypothesis should be supported by what? By the
By
evidence. Excellent. Evidence. So these are the numbers, guys, please.
Evidence of the
Yes.
evidence. Experiment.
These are the numbers. You can write them later, okay? For now, just write the numbers, please.
Miss, I didn't finish. Wait, I want to write the numbers for it. This number 1. This number 5. This number 3. This number 2.
wait. Paragraph. بابا ايوه اول انا رحت تحت وقالت لت I want بابا في جدة.
Okay, finish, guys. Let's go to the next page.
I didn't finish.
Dear students, I ask you to write the numbers only over here. If you wrote the numbers, so this is enough, please. You can copy them later, okay, guys?
I write it from the box.
And please mute your microphones.
Number 6, I didn't do it. And 7.
Finish, guys?
Finish.
Okay.
I have only 1.
It's fine, my dear. As long as you wrote the numbers, it's good. It's fine. Now, look at number 6. Alex wants to conduct an experiment to find out how fertilizer affects bean plants. Which of the following is a hypothesis that she could test? I want you to read A, B, C, D, and tell me which one is a hypothesis that she can make experiment about it. Alex will need bean seed, soil, fertilizer, and water. All the plants must get the same amount of sunlight.
Yeah.
Fertilizer can be organic or chemical. Fertilizer causes bee and plants to grow larger and faster. Which one of them is a hypothesis I can make a test about? Which statement? A, B, C, D. Fatima, what do you think?
I think D.
Okay. Okay, Fatima thinks D. We'll see about it. We will make a circle over here. Just a minute. And we will see if it's right or wrong.
No, this one, not this one.
Fatima, be confident of your answer. Now, 7. Samuel noticed that small dogs often have a high-pitched bark, while big dogs often have a low-pitched bark. Would a scientist consider this an experiment? Hi, Gamer. Yes, because you could study many different sizes and types of dogs to find out it's true, if it's true. Or yes, because there may be scientific reason for the difference in dog barks. Or no, because this is an observation, not an experiment. Or no,
Yes.
because it's illegal. What is the answer? Which one? A, B, C?
A.
You say it's an A. Okay. Now we'll see the answers. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good job, Fatima. And okay, well, Gamar, you will have another chance. It's D. No, you cannot test this. Why? Because it's an observation and it's not an experiment. See? Because Samuel noticed that small dogs often have high-pitched bark, while big dogs often have low-pitched bark. Okay? So he noticed. He didn't make an experiment. He didn't do anything. He just observed. Okay, guys?
Okay.
All good?
Yeah, all good.
Let's go next. Over here, Zelia performed an experiment to see if a toy car would travel down a ramp faster on a wax paper or a sand paper. Dana, that's you. For each type of surface, she timed how long it took the same toy car to reach the bottom of the ramp. Her results are shown in the table. Look at the table. Now, which trail has most likely been recorded incorrectly? Look at trail number 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, 8, 9. If it's taking on a wax paper 8 seconds, it will take 12 on sandpaper. If it's taking 7 seconds in a wax paper, it will take 11 on a sandpaper. If it's taking 8 seconds, it will take 23. 9 seconds, it will take 13. Which one is wrong?
Miss, I know.
Dana, are you there, Dana?
No.
Okay, Lara Ghaith.
Miss, what happened?
I want you to read the table over here, track the table, okay? And tell me which one is wrong. Which trail is written wrong?
Okay. Trail. Is it?
Is it what? Yarhamkallah.
Is it trail? It's trail 2 or 3.
What do you think, Yadana?
3?
Okay, we'll see about that. Thank you.
I think.
Lara Ghaith, what do you
Oh
think?
my God.
Three.
What?
I think
Three, the same as Dan.
3. Okay, so also Lara Ghaith agree. Now, let's see. Gamar, a tool often used in science is shown below. Look at this tool. For which task would this tool most likely be used? Observe bird mold closely, or observing the color of a leaf, or plants in the solar system, or D. What do you think, yeah, Gamar? I can't hear you.
I think it's A.
Gamar, okay, A. Now let's see your answers, if it's correct or wrong.
Observing.
Good job, girls. You got it right. Good
Yes.
job. Excellent.
I knew it. I knew it would be good. Miss, are you mute again?
Okay, let's see, what do we have next? The last one, girls. Now, over here, Gabe is interested in animals that lives in the desert. He wants to learn more about what desert animals eat. Which of these should Gabe use in his investigation? A model of desert animal, a chart showing monthly rainfall in the desert, or a data table showing food for the desert animal, or a graph of average temperature in the desert? What should he use, guys? Can you tell me?
I want to say me.
No.
Okay,
I know.
Fatima, what do you say, Fatima?
I say D.
You say D. Fatima say D. Who agree with her?
Me.
Dana also, a graph of average
Yeah.
temperature.
Me and Dana. Yeah, me and Dana.
Dana and Fatima?
I
You too, Lara?
I agree.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Guys, everyone?
Wait, no. Gabe is interested in animals that live in deserts. He wants to learn more about what desert animals eat. Which of these should Gabe use in his investigation? A model of a desert.
This one, Miss. I agree it's B. Who is B?
The desert.
Who said
and
B?
data table
Maria.
No, C. Okay, C.
Lara Ghaith is saying C.
I say C too.
Miss,
mine is wrong. Mine is wrong.
Now let's see.
C. I know it's C.
Lara Ghaith, she won. Excellent. Good job.
Yes.
You need a data table showing food of desert.
Good job.
Good
Yeah,
job,
good job.
everyone. Good job, everyone. That's it for today. Thank you, guys. Hope to see you tomorrow, inshallah.
We finished faster, Miss. We finished fast.
Yes, also the time is already up. It's 12, my dear. So please, guys, be ready for your next session. Okay, guys?
It's like okay.